up all damn day. Off a fucking 30, the life I live consists alone. Nice and bright in early mornings, I'm on this shit. Focusing on my life, I focus on what's important. I'm rolling bitches. Nigga, don't play with your life, you end up getting destroyed. Been working all day. Being bro taught me a lesson. I gotta give me some extra. I can show you how to get it, I can give you a lecture. I'm getting it in. I flip it one time and I do it again. I've been solid from the jump, so how the fuck I'm not gon' win? How the fuck I'm not gon' win?
Hey, how you doing? I'm good. I think he had took the mufflers off my other Jeep I had. The white one. They had a white one. Yeah, yesterday I was driving and I kept hearing like a ticking noise. And so I thought I needed some oil, but I had checked. I had put oil in there and it kept ticking. And so I looked under the car and I had a hole in the muffler. I don't know how it happened though. Yeah, the hole on the other side. So y'all see how on this side is connected, everything intact.
You want to delete these two?
Yeah, those two.
Yeah.
I don't know how that happened though.
I think it was just from motor torque.
Okay.
You know, after a while, the metal works.
That's what I was thinking.
So one side's usually worse than the other.
Yeah.
That's what happens to hanger.
So what this do right here?
This expands it so it'll fit over the same size pipe.
Oh, okay.
2.5 inches.
As you can see, he took the mufflers off. Finna get ready to put the straight pipes on.
Like a royal blue.
Yeah, like a deep blue, like
deep
something like that,
blue.
but like a little dark.
Cocaine.
Yeah, like a little dark.
Yeah, she gonna be nasty, bro. She'll be nasty, bro.
I appreciate it. I want to put a supercharger in it.
Do it.
I really want to.
Might as well do it. You know what I'm saying? You only live one time, bro.
Yeah.
You go around this earth one
Like
time.
the Whipple supercharger.
I'll put it on there.
One of my partners, he got an SRT Durango.
I know you.
Yeah. He put one in.
How much to get one and put it in, you think? What you think about?
to buy one. The one I want probably like 7,000, 8,000. And somebody put it in for like 1,000, for like 9,000. Almost 10, I would say 10.
Yeah, man. But see, but like you said, bro, the more you keep on doing good, reduce your phone, reducing everything, shit, that gonna stay for it. But man, people need to know how to upgrade their cars and know what to do to this shit. Like, you know, what's the start? My first thing is when I get a car, if it's a V8, that bitch got to be loud.
Yeah, that what I
I straight pipe everything. I got a Tundra. That bitch, you can hear that nigga coming up the street. I got a Corvette. My Vet, you can hear it coming up the street. That right there was too quiet when I drove. The day I got that car, the next morning I drove here. Everybody like, no, don't cut it off. I said, cut that shit off. And guess what? Ever since then, they be like, that shit sound good. But it's something about that. There's something about that extra. You know what I'm saying?
The extra.
Man. You can't be like that, man. All I do is I just kind of pray for the V6s.
I don't like how it sound on the V6.
Man,
I had a V6. I took them up. They don't sound the same.
One time by accident. And bro, it's just, when you go sport, you can't half-ass.
Yeah.
Either you going sport, or you ain't going sport.
Yeah, V8 up, V12,
It's
V8.
either or. It's either or.
Yeah.
Cause somebody run up on your ass or get next to you, it's just like, but not only that, it's your own security. You can make yourself think that it's okay, but you in your heart, you like, man, I want that fast motherfucker. Lisa SRT, Lisa.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You only live one time. The pain is on the bitch. Congratulations, man. You work hard, you play hard, bro. Let me tell you something, dog. Your life is other people's motivation.
Yeah, sure.
Motivate. Never stun. It's all about motivate. Yeah. And if they don't get motivated, then it's hated.
Yeah, that's real though.
You did. You don't get motivated by it, hate. You did.
Yeah.
You already know. You want to think, man. It's time for your funk ass mind. You already know.
You got the merch too. Slide.
Yeah, man. Slides. Come on, man. Stop playing with me, man. You already know, man. Already been a real dude up here, man. We up here. My people at Rainbow Muffler, they always take care of us. I asked my man what he was working on. He said, man, yeah, straight pipe. That motherfucker loud.
I appreciate it.
Damn, boy, you need to do one of these bitches, boy.
I gotta get back in and turn it off. Yeah, I gotta get back in it to turn it off. Alright.
Okay. It's gonna still be nice and stubby looking. It ain't gonna be all up here and shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying?
The hydraulic, nice. I saw how you dropped it.
Yeah, man. Say, bro, that all the girls love it how you drive it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's how you close this big son. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta push it down in 3 parts.
Yeah, bro. Man, you know how big the goddamn hood is? Man, hood huge, man.
It is a big hood. Big engine too.
Yeah, man. Huge, man. I might get him to do me an oil change while I'm doing this shit.
So how the hydraulics work? You just the switch.
Yeah, you hit the switch on it. You know what I'm saying? I got up, down, side to side, pedicate. You know what I'm saying? That's why I just got through from getting it, all the kinks out of it, because, you know, with this big cup, the dude who did it, shout out to my dog, Angel, who did it. They're saying we should have went a little bit more, you know, living more different pumps. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna add another one. So you got the wallpaper interior here. You'll never see that.
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper interior.
Oh.
See?
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you normally see leather, or you normally see leather or cloth. But wallpaper, shit. Interior made by Fisher.
It is different.
Interior made by Fisher. No, interior made by Fleetwood. But the car made by Fisher. Yeah, man. I already know. No. Young boy. You understand what I'm saying? What's up, dog? Young boy. That's how this thing sound going down the street. Change the whole look of this thing here. Funky bitch. Shit. Oh shit. That boy was loud as fuck. Shit! You funky bitch! Young boy cutting up, you deserve it, you hear me? Motivation for y'all, I'm telling you, man. Get that boy way down here.
I'm a boss in case you didn't know. Boss in case you didn't know. It's a trap house case you didn't know. A trap house case you didn't know. I've been popping shit if you ain't know. Yeah. And I got properties if you ain't know.
Young boy!